Hello students, welcome to the business studies class. In today's class students, we are going to discuss the chapter number 4 and today's topic that I have taken is functions of bank. Now generally we know why we are going to bank for depositing, for withdrawal. There are some other functions also that we will discuss later. So let's discuss the very first function of any bank. So this is known as the primary function. What is the primary function now of the bank? Is accepting the deposit of the public in the following way. Now when we are going to bank, हम अपना पैसा लेकर जा रहे हैं, ठीक? How we will deposit? Bank will provide us a form. Now in this form we have to fill some of the information. We all know that when we go to bank will provide us a form, deposit form, and we have to fill the name and then the account. Now this account is needed every time when we are going to the bank for any purpose. So in the following ways we are having the different types of account in which the bank provide us the facility how we can deposit our money in the bank. So let's discuss what different type of account are there. Bank is providing as per the need of their customer the different types of the accounts. So first of all, a very common account is there, saving deposit account. Now saving deposit account is very common account that everyone in our country, like अभी हमने थोड़ा टाइम पहले प्रधानमंत्री योजना भी जिसमें जीरो बैलेंस पर सभी का सेविंग अकाउंट खुला था, ठीक? अभी लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंड से 500 रुपीज़ पर कैंडिडेट पर अकाउंट होल्डर पैसे भी ट्रांसफर हुए. सो दिस अकाउंट इज वेरी मच नीडेड फॉर एवरीवन. नाउ व्हाट इज द सेविंग अकाउंट? Now saving account is general account where we can deposit our money. There is no restriction on depositing. There is no limit for depositing. And then withdrawal. Withdrawal can be also made. But now here I am telling one thing that some of the banks are having the restriction on withdrawal. Like the SBI is having restriction to withdraw the money. ठीक है, डिपॉजिट हम कितनी भी टाइम्स कर सकते हैं, बट सम ऑफ द बैंक्स रिस्ट्रिक्ट देयर कस्टमर्स टू विथड्रॉ, एंड जनरली द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज वेरी लेस देन ऑल अदर अकाउंट्स. इंटरेस्ट ऑफ रेट इज वेरी लेस ऑन द सेविंग अकाउंट, but generally we are having this because any time we can deposit our money. It is providing us the facility to deposit the money here. Now moving to the next account, that is fixed deposit account. Most of the students know this. What is FD? Commonly name is FD. Now fixed deposit, as the name has been suggested, money has been deposited for the fixed period. So when the money has been deposited for a fixed period, so rate of interest will be high. Definitely the rate of interest generally is high than all other accounts because we are depositing the money for a long period here. So जितना भी लंबा पीरियड होगा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट उतना ही ज़्यादा होता जाएगा. Moving to the next, that is the current deposit account. Now what is current account? When a businessman is going to register their firm, their business, now they need a bank account. हम सबको पता है जब भी कोई बिजनेसमैन अपने आप को रजिस्टर्ड कराएगा तो he need some account, क्योंकि अकाउंट के थ्रू ही सारी ट्रांजेक्शन्स होती हैं, उसको चेक लेना है, देना है. सो हियर सेविंग अकाउंट काम नहीं आएगा. हियर ही नीड्स द करंट अकाउंट. सो आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर फॉर बिजनेस पर्पस this account is needed because at the time of registration the registrar generally asked the account number of the bank. So there you have to fill the current account number. Then there is no restriction on the withdrawal. There is no restriction on the withdrawal because I told you that in saving account generally what happens, sometimes there is a restriction of withdrawal, but in the current account there is no restriction. In a day generally SBI, suppose SBI is providing 5 times withdrawal, that is not provided in the saving account. And then I have mentioned here generally the interest is charged by the bank. In all other accounts what happen, the interest is provided by the bank. But here in the current account, what happened? The bank charge the interest, because bank is providing you the facility. When a person has to fill the some statements, that time the bank is providing you free of cost these statement from the bank. ठीक है, महीने में कितनी आपकी जो है, क्योंकि कई बार आपको लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स में यू नीड दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स, so bank is providing you this statement free of cost. So generally the bank charges interest on the current account. Then moving to the next, that is recurring deposit, and it is in short known as the RD. RD, in short we call it RD, and fixed deposit is known as the FD. Now what is RD? Recurring deposit account. Now in fixed deposit we have to deposit the money at once. In the very beginning we have to deposit the whole money for a time period. But the recurring deposit account providing us that we can deposit the money in the installment. In the installment we deposit the money. For suppose I am taking the RD account, or I am going to open an RD account. What will be happen for 5 years, and on every month suppose I am depositing rupees 1000, 2000. So at the end of the 5 years, bank will provide me this whole amount plus interest. So interest is generally higher than the saving account, but it is less than the fixed deposit, because in fixed deposits we are depositing the whole money in the beginning. That is not in the recurring deposit. So those who are not able to open the FD, generally this is a very common account for the people who are not able to deposit the whole amount at once. Now moving to the last, that is very much new, multiple optional deposit, that is also known as the mode balance. Mode balance. Now what is this? Bank is providing us the combination of saving deposit plus fixed deposit. Saving deposits. Generally what happen when you think that you don't need the money, the rate of interest is very less in the saving deposit. सबसे कम किस में होता है? Saving deposits में. Now you think कि आपके वो पैसा काम नहीं आ रहा है, but आपको कभी भी पेमेंट देनी पड़ सकती है. So what happen? The bank, if you going to have this option mode balance, so bank will give you the facility that after a certain amount, like 35,000 is necessary for having this mode balance. Different banks are providing in a different way this facility. So what happen when the bank is providing you this facility, after a certain limit, मेरे अकाउंट में सपोज 90,000 रुपीज़ हैं, ठीक, 90,000 रुपीज़ हैं, और मैंने बैंक को बोला हुआ है कि मुझे 10,000 लिमिट रखनी है, तो आफ्टर 10,000 the 80,000 will be converted in the fixed deposit. It will be converted in the FD. So I am enjoying here the facility of two accounts. Rate of interest I will get for the FD. जितनी भी मेरी FD बनी हुई है उस पर मुझे मिलेगा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फिक्स डिपॉजिट अकाउंट के अकॉर्डिंग, और बाकी अमाउंट मेरा सेविंग अकाउंट में पड़ा रहेगा. बट व्हाट हैपन व्हेन सपोज आई हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट, नाउ बैंक आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपकी एफडी कब ब्रेक हो गई, ठीक. सो इजीली दिस अकाउंट कैन ऑल्सो बी मेंटेन्ड. सो दीज आर द वेरियस अकाउंट्स हाउ द मनी इज जनरली डिपॉजिटेड in the accounts. So bank is providing us the facility in which how we can deposit the money into the accounts.